In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to clean HY300 projector lens. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you'd like to clean your HY300 projector, including the lens, then you will have to disassemble it partially. Don't worry, it's all very superficial and easy to do. I'm still gonna cover a full disassembly, but I'm not going to go super in-depth about how to get the internals out. So to clean the lenses, to really get in there, what you want to do is remove this air vent or this grate. So using a tool like this one, pry it open. You will shove it between these openings here and then pull it up. When you pull it up, all of the clips around it should come off. If they don't, then gently circle the tool around until it pops right off and you can remove it with your fingers. With this done, it will now be exposed. Now be very careful. You can use stuff like a blower brush or air blower, a microfiber lens cleaning cloth, and specialized lens cleaning solution. It is optional, but for stubborn smudges, it can help. So all that you have to do now is slowly clean the lenses here. You can do gentle circular motions. Make sure that, of course, it is fully powered off and unplugged, and then you can remove loose dust using a blower brush or air blower, and then use the microfiber cloth to clean the lenses themselves. Never apply the solution directly on the lenses. So what you want to do if you are using some form of solution is to apply it to the cleaning cloth that you are using. And once the cloth is dampened with the solution, then you can go ahead and use it on the lenses. And start from the center, wipe outwards in a circular motion, applying very light pressure. Excessive force can damage the coating. And once it is done, you can reassemble it back together. So you put the grates into place and you are good to go. If you would like to open it further, then you need the pry tool once more. You will shove it between these openings here on the side and pry the casing up. You can do a circular motion with the tool and this should make it pop out, allowing you to see the internals. But I wouldn't recommend messing with them if you don't know what you are doing. I hope I was able to help you on how to clean your HY300 projector. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel achieve higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.